Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Etsy app. So we'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you here to settings list, and you just go down here and you click here on apps. So then it's going to take you here to apps list, and all you have to do now, so you just go down here and you're looking for Etsy app here in this list. So then when you find it, you just click here on your Etsy app. Then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on first stop and you click here on OK. So and you go down here. Sorry, I'm go back here. So then when you click on first stop and you click on OK, you click here on storage and you come to storage list, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do is to just restart your phone, then it's going to fix with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.